If you really care about your coffee, we tested enough mechanisms and filters to make your head spin to tweak and uniquely design our press with a triple-layered filter structure to stop the sediment, but let the yummy coffee oils through for a full-bodied delicious brew that will make you a very happy camper. And to share the Java love, we give you a bonus matching travel canister that holds enough beans or grounds for 2 full batches. More thicker, more heavier, built to last, our huge capacity professional grade 304 and 18/10 double-layered stainless steel baby will keep your coffee hot for 60 minutes longer than thinner steel and glass models. And it's drop-proof, rust-proof, and probably bulletproof. Be nice. Multiple uses. Besides using the French press as a coffee maker, it is also handy appliance to make tea, MCT oil coffee, hot chocolate, cold brew, frothed milk, almond milk, cashew milk, fruit infusions, and plant and herbal drinks as it seals in their flavors and aromas. Perfect for any occasion, for housewarmings, weddings, birthdays, holidays and all coffee, tea lovers, healthy foodies. 2 bonus stainless steel screens and the matching travel. Made in China. Top reviews from the United States. Coffee made from fresh ground beans, Black Rifle, tastes great when made in this pot. Hi, 2 of these are in use now and both my wife and I are pleased with this purchase. She replaced her drip coffee maker and I replaced a similar pot whose welded seam at the pour spout failed. The pots came with a useful guide on how much ground coffee to grind for each for the desired strength. Strong, medium, mild. Easy process. And the small container that came with it makes it easy to store today's leftover grind in an airtight container for use when making the next pot. We find it easy to take these with us on our short stays visiting our favored destinations. Black Rifle fresh ground beans makes the morning coffee taste great when made in these pots. Yes, we would buy them again.